boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, hey. Oh yeah.
What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Katie Nicole. So today we are doing a MacBook Air unboxing and setup video. I got this laptop because I am starting school and also just to help me with this channel. So let's get into unboxing this laptop. You can see the first thing I'm doing is just using a knife to cut the plastic and take it off the box. Here's what the box looks like without the plastic on it. I'm opening up the box here and taking the laptop out. As you can see, I got the space gray color, and this is the current 13-inch MacBook Air with the M1 chip. MacBook Air has the following features. It has two Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. This is where you charge your computer, transfer data, and you can connect to a display or a projector. Ports can also charge devices such as an iPad or a rechargeable trackpad or keyboard. On the other side, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. This is where you plug in stereo headphones or external speakers to listen to your favorite music or movies. Other features that this MacBook Air has is it has FaceTime HD cameras. It also has a Touch ID, which is also the power button, microphones, and a Force Touch trackpad. It also includes the USB-C charge cable along with the power adapter to plug in the cable to charge the MacBook Air. Inside of the box as well, it has this little pamphlet that just welcomes you to your new MacBook Air and gives you some information regarding your MacBook. And then it also has space gray Apple icon stickers, which I personally like better than the original white stickers that they usually give you. I am about to open up the MacBook for the first time, and when you first open it up, it automatically will show the Apple symbol, which means your MacBook is turning on. Once the MacBook is turned on, it will start to say hello in the different languages, which means it's time to get started on setting up your MacBook. So the first step you see me doing in setting up my MacBook is just selecting what language I would like to have, and then as well as what region or country that I currently live in. Next step is selecting my accessibility options. This is where you're able to tell your MacBook if you have any vision, motor, hearing, or any other abilities that you need to set up for your MacBook. If you don't have any of those things, such as myself, you just simply click on Not Now. So the next step is simply just going in there, finding your Wi-Fi, selecting it, and connecting your MacBook to your Wi-Fi. So that way it will be ready to go once your setup is complete. So this part is the migration assistant. I was getting a little confused on this part, so that's why you see me kind of going back and forth. But it's basically just where you transfer your information. If you have an old MacBook or a laptop and you want to transfer your information onto your new one, this is where you would do it. But this is my first time having a MacBook, so I just end up having to click Not Now. If you already have an Apple product, you have an Apple ID. So this is the part where you enter in your email and your password to link your current Apple ID with your MacBook. If you don't already have an Apple product, you will need to set one up, but this way you can transfer information between all your Apple products. So this part is just showing the terms and condition with Apple, and then you just have to check the box and hit agree, and then it sent me a code to verify that it was me trying to sign in with my Apple ID, and then it gives me an option to create a computer account since I do not have a current MacBook. Once I verify that I am who I say I am and create my computer account, it starts syncing all my iCloud information. So this part I'm just setting up Find My MacBook, and as well as just setting up other settings that it brought up on the screen, and then it lets me change how I want my appearance to be, and as you can see I changed it to the dark mode. This part is setting up my Touch ID, so I just had to set my thumb on the part that is on the keyboard where I will be able to place my thumb and sign in without having to type in my password every time, or if I want to purchase things on the Apple. It works just like it does on like your iPad or your phone. Then it gives you an option to go ahead and set up your Apple Pay. I decided just to click not now because I'm not going to set it up on my MacBook. At the bottom of the screen is called the dock on your Mac, and this is just where you put all your app icons that you will use the most just for easy access. And that is it for this unboxing and setup of my new MacBook. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next video. Bye, babes.